Interpreting Pedigree Charts by KayScience.com. A pedigree chart is a diagram that shows the occurrence of phenotypes of a particular gene in a family tree, and it follows the gene's inheritance from one generation to the next. A question you could be asked is to determine whether or not this disease in this pedigree chart is recessive linked or is it dominant linked. If it's recessive linked, you must look for two parents without the disease that then go on to have children with the disease. That's what you're looking for. Remember to look for two parents that do not have the disease. This male and this female are both unaffected. They both have a child with the disease, so it must be recessive because both parents must be carriers, so therefore they must be big F, little f. So if you then do the genetic cross diagram, you can then identify one child with the disease, so it must be a recessive linked disease. Pause the video to answer these three questions. The answers will follow, and I'm going to go through it. So how would you know if this disease is recessive or dominant linked? Well, you must first look for two parents without the disease, but who could be carriers. So these two parents here are both carriers. They do not have the disease, but they're carriers. And they have a child with the disease. So as you can see here, these carriers must be big F, little f, big F, little f. Therefore, this person here must be little f, little f. So any unaffected male or female is big F, big F. Any carrier is big F, little f. And any sufferer, affected person with disease, is little f, little f. So to draw the Punnett square, the inheritance of the disease by person 4 and 5, you must do big F, little f, cross with big F, little f. That will give you big F, big F, big F, little f, big F, little f, and little f, little f. That will give you a chance of inheriting the disease at 1 in 4 or 25%.